When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, Freshservice versus LiveAgent is a comparison you might have been thinking about. Both of these options offer solid customer support features, but which one truly stands out as the best solution for your business? Stick around till the end because, after diving into all their features, I'll recommend a better option that could save you time and improve efficiency. You don't want to miss it. First up, let's talk about Freshservice. Known for its clean, user-friendly interface, Freshservice offers a service desk software solution that's great for IT service management. One of its strengths is its automation features. You can set up workflows for common tasks, helping streamline support processes. It also provides a strong knowledge base, which can reduce ticket volume by offering customer self-service options. However, Freshservice does come with its downsides. One of the major complaints is its pricing. It's a bit on the expensive side compared to other help desk software, especially if you're a small business or just starting. While it has a lot of robust features, they might not all be necessary for a smaller team, making it feel a bit like you're paying for more than what you need. Next, let's take a look at LiveAgent. LiveAgent is known for its multi-channel support. Whether it's email, chat, social media, or even voice, LiveAgent brings everything under one roof. This can be a major advantage for businesses that need to handle support across different platforms. It's highly customizable, and the integration options are vast, making it a great choice for teams with specific needs. But LiveAgent isn't without its flaws. One downside that many users point out is that it can get overwhelming with all the different features and settings. The learning curve isn't steep, but if you're not tech-savvy, it might take a little time to get used to all the options. And while it's cheaper than Freshservice in some cases, the basic plans still come with a lot of limitations, so you'll need to consider if those upgrades are worth it for you. Now, the third thing I want to highlight is the support experience with both of these platforms. Freshservice offers solid customer support with live chat and ticketing, but there are times when users mention that response times can be slow, especially with the more complex issues. LiveAgent, on the other hand, shines in this area. With its live chat and social media integration, it's easier for customers to reach support through their preferred channels. But the fourth thing you should know is about customization. Freshservice excels in its customization options for workflows, especially when it comes to IT management. But LiveAgent, with its multi-channel support, allows for a more holistic customization, especially if you're managing multiple support touchpoints like chat and email simultaneously. Now, after evaluating Freshservice and LiveAgent, both are great options depending on what you're specifically looking for. Freshservice shines with IT service management, but it's a bit pricier, while LiveAgent stands out with its multi-channel support, but might feel a bit overwhelming at times. That said, I've tried all of these myself, and while they have their strengths, if you're truly looking for a better solution, one that is more user-friendly and cost-effective, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll not only get the best free trial, but also exclusive benefits that are available only to my viewers. Give it a try and see how it works for your business. Thanks for watching.